Right, using a pry tool or just by lifting it off, you're going to remove the top cover. Right, you can see it there. With the steering wheel upside down, as you can see, this, by removing the top panel, we gain access to the two holes behind the steering wheel, which are going to give you access to remove the steering wheel. I'm going to use, you can use a flat screwdriver, right? But I've got a wee airbag removal tool kit off of eBay. I think it was only, I don't want to lie, 20-25 pounds. And obviously with that, you're going to put it through your steering wheel, as you can see there, and that's going to give you access to pry the release buttons on the back of the airbag. Right, this is how I deployed the airbag. So that's how it sits when the steering wheel's sitting straight, but you'll be looking at it like that, upside down, right, and that's how it fits. Now, on your right hand side, you've got two springs which you need to pry, one there and one there. Right, so if you've got the steering wheel upside down, the one to your left, that spring releases the top mount and the side mount. The one on your right hand side only does one, that one there. Okay, so I would say you're going to start by prying the left side first. Why? Because this is going to remove those two hooks, and you're going to be left with having to release just one for the airbag to pop out. I struggled with it a wee bit because I obviously started with the right side, and I would get that one unclipped. I would feel that the steering wheel was loose on that side, but then I would be holding on the bottom and on the other side. So I ended up clicking a button and then starting with this side. Once I got those two removed by prying this spring there, I was only left with one, and it was much easier. The steering wheel just popped out. So if you look at the airbag, by prying it, see, the pins are retracting back, see? There we go. So, see how they pop in and out? That's how you need to do, just from behind the steering wheel. I took the airbag out because it's much easier to show you guys how it works. I'm sure the same airbags goes in Audi's A3, so this is an A3 convertible, but I'm sure they go into A3s, A4s, A5s even, I think. So if you have any questions, guys, leave a comment and I'll try to answer them as soon as. Thanks.